everyone. I am today talking about drug discovery, drug development, origin of pharmacovigilance and pharmacovigilance. Uh, Next is the ICSR and regulatory bodies, ICH and SIOMS. First one is a drug discovery. Drug discovery is a process in which a potential new medicine identified. Drug discovery, 4 stages. First one is a target identification, target validation, lead identification, lead optimization, and next is a drug development. Drug development is two types. First one is a preclinical. Preclinical in studies about laboratory and test tube on animal, and clinical trial is a in vitro. In vitro is a studies about uh, laboratory and test tube on animal, and in vivo is a study about the administration in check in PK, pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic. Next is the clinical trial. Clinical trial which is a systematic investigation in human for safety and efficacy. 5 stages of clinical trial. First one is a phase 0. Phase 0 is a microdosing phase. Phase first is a first trial on human being, and phase second is a therapeutic exploratory phase. Phase third is a therapeutic confirmatory phase. Phase 4 is a post-marketing surveillance. Next is the pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is established in 2002. The science and activity related to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effect of any other drug-related problem. Origin of PV. Origin of PV is two disaster established. First one is the sulfonilamide and second is the thalidomide. Sulfonilamide is a tragedy happened in 1930 in USA, and 107 people are died. Next is the thalidomide tragedy. In Germany, 1960 tragedy happened in pregnant woman. 10,000 baby are affected, 2,000 baby are dies, and absence of limbs is also adverse event. Pharmacovigilance in India, 1982 to 1989 ADR monitoring for India program, and 2010 is a PVPI. Aim and scope of PV. First one is a patient care, public health, risk benefit assessment, objective reduce frequency of ADR, and next is the ICSR, individual case safety report. First one is the case receipt, triage, data entry, quality review, medical review, regulatory submission. Next is the regulatory body. First one is the US. US is the FDA, Food and Drug Administration, and next is the India. India is the CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, and third is the Canada. Canada is the Health Canada, and UK is the MHRA, Medicine Healthcare Regulatory Agency, and Australia is the TGA, Therapeutic Good Administration. Next is the Japan. Japan is the MHLW, Ministry Healthcare Labor Welfare and Welfare. ADR reporting form. UK is a yellow card and US is a MedWatch. And next is the ICH, individual case, international conference harmonization. ICH working group. First one is a discussion group. Next, second is the informal working group. Third is the expert group, and fourth is the implementation group. And ICH is a co-coordinator, secretaries, MEDRA management, global corporation group, and next is the SIOMS. SIOMS is a Council of International Organization of Medical Science. Founder in SIOMS is a WHO and UNESCO, established in 1949, and EMAC is evaluate, monitoring, analyze, action and communicate. Thanks. That all about.